Is the universe hiding something? We are only 5% of the universe. What is the rest? Look up at the night sky. Every star, every planet, every glowing cloud of gas you have ever seen is a lie. Everything you know, your body, the earth, the stars, they make up just 5% of the universe. So, where is the other 95%? For decades, scientists have been hunting a ghost, a phantom entity that holds galaxies together yet refuses to show itself. It doesn't emit light. It doesn't reflect light. It doesn't cast a shadow. But we know it's there, and without it, we wouldn't exist. The anomaly. The mystery started in the 1970s with an astronomer named Vera Rubin. She was looking at the Andromeda galaxy, tracking how fast its stars were moving. Physics tells us a simple rule. The further a planet or a star is from the center of gravity, the slower it should orbit. Think of our solar system. Mercury whips around the sun, while Neptune slowly crawls. But when Rubin looked at the edges of the galaxy, the stars weren't slowing down. They were moving impossibly fast. So fast that the galaxy should have ripped itself apart. The stars should have been flung into the endless void of space like sparks flying off a pinwheel. But they didn't. Something invisible was holding them in place. Something with an immense, unimaginable gravitational pull. They called it dark matter. The phantom in the room, calling it dark matter, is almost a joke, because it isn't dark. Dark things absorb light. This stuff, light passes right through it like it isn't even there. It is completely invisible to every type of radiation we know. Radio waves, X-rays, gamma rays, nothing touches it. You could have a chunk of dark matter sitting in the palm of your hand right now, and you wouldn't feel it, see it, or know it. It slips through normal matter like a ghost through a wall. In fact, billions of dark matter particles are likely streaming through your body right this very second. So, if we can't see it, touch it, or interact with it, how do we know it's not just a math error? How do we know it's real? Because we can see its footprints. When massive amounts of dark matter clump together, its gravity is so intensely powerful that it physically bends the fabric of space and time. It acts like a giant magnifying glass, warping the light of galaxies behind it. We can't see the monster, but we can see the dent it leaves in the universe. We used to think the universe was just empty space dotted with isolated islands of stars. We were wrong. Dark matter is the scaffolding of the cosmos. It forms a massive, invisible skeleton called the cosmic web. Galaxies don't just float randomly. They are trapped inside the gravitational intersections of this giant, unseen structure. Without dark matter, there wouldn't have been enough gravity in the early universe to pull gas together. Stars wouldn't have ignited. Galaxies wouldn't have formed. Earth would not exist. We owe our very existence to a ghost. The outro, the ultimate unknown. Right now, deep underground in abandoned gold mines and under mountains of ice at the South Pole, scientists have built some of the most sensitive machines in human history. They are waiting in absolute silence, hoping for just one atom of dark matter to bump into normal matter. Decades have passed, millions of dollars spent, and so far, nothing. It forces us to ask a terrifying yet thrilling question. Are we on the verge of discovering a new realm of physics? Or is the universe fundamentally different than we ever imagined? Next time you look up at the night sky, don't just look at the stars. Look at the blackness between them, because that is where the real universe is hiding. If you want to dive deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think we will ever catch a particle of dark matter, or is our math just wrong? Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.